What's up, Forex Crack family? Today, I'm about to share with you the most incredible trade of my life, my biggest win ever in Forex trading. This wasn't just luck, it was the result of strategy, patience, and a little bit of guts. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you right here, right now. Before we dive in, let me set the scene. It was last Tuesday and I was tracking the Euro to USD pair. There was a ton of market noise, but something stood out to me. A textbook setup on the 4-hour chart that screamed opportunity. Here's what caught my eye. First, there was a clear double bottom formation, signaling a potential reversal. The RSI was in oversold territory, and the MACD was showing bullish divergence, classic signs that the bulls were about to take control. My plan was simple: buy low, ride the breakout, and set tight stop losses to manage my risk. I entered the trade at 1.0800 with a stop loss at 1.0750, risking 50 pips. My target? A juicy 200 pip move to 1.1000. As soon as I placed my order, the market started moving in my favor. The breakout was clean and volume surged, exactly what I was waiting for. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. There was a pullback that tested my patience. This is where most traders mess up. They panic and close early. But I trusted my analysis and let the trade play out. Remember, in Forex, patience pays. And boom. The EUR/USD hit my take profit level, and I walked away with a massive 200 pip gain. That's a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio, textbook trading at its finest. Let's talk numbers. I risked $500 on this trade, and my profit, a whopping $2,000. This single trade made my entire week, proving that with the right strategy and mindset, big wins are possible. Here are 3 key takeaways for all my Forex Cracked fans. 1. Always stick to your trading plan. 2. Manage your risk. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. 3. Trust your analysis, but stay adaptable to market changes. That's the story of my biggest win ever. If you found this video inspiring or learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Also, comment below with your biggest Forex trading win. I'd love to hear your stories.